Greetings Earthlings, in front of me I have a box. Well, two boxes, one is packaging and one is the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video and some thoughts that I have with this. We'll leave the review of the actual phone and everything else to the professionals. So I have the iPhone 11 Pro and you see the packaging is pretty much double the size of the iPhone 12 Pro. And Apple says they don't include a charger and stuff like that to save the environment. That's a bunch of hogwash. It really is there to reduce costs and increase margins. As you know, the iPhone margin is probably one of the highest out of any other company out there. So let's go see what's inside this box. As you see, it's really dense. Always good packaging by Apple. And I got the 12 Pro on time because I placed my pre-order early and I happened to get mine on the day of general availability. So most of you will be getting theirs in November. So it comes like this. Very nice. I got the space gray. It feels like an iPhone 5, an iPhone 5S. And they include a USB-C to lightning cable and instruction guide. They only include headphones on this thing, and yet it's the same price as the iPhone 11 Pro. So basically Apple is screwing their customers over. Now with the iPhone 11 Pro, you get a lot more. You get a SIM ejector tool. I don't think I saw one in there. Some booklet stuff. You get some stickers. It does come with a SIM ejector tool, pamphlet, and of course a sticker. However, it's only one sticker. No headphones and no charger. Just lovely, Apple. Well, someone's got to make a profit. And of course, you know, if the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 5S had a baby, well, you have an iPhone 12 Pro. So here we go. Here's 11 and here's the 5S. So how's it feel? Feels good. It's dense. It's pretty big phone, you know? You have a bigger screen. It just feels, it just is wider. But what do I have to say? It's nice, it's shiny. I think it's gonna scratch easily. Shiny chrome bezel or thing like that. But yeah, I'll say it's a good phone. Why not? I mean, I've been on the iPhone upgrade program. I've had most of every single iPhone since they've started, and the costs have been the same, except for the iPhones actually keep coming up in price. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it on the unboxing. I don't know what you think of it, just let me know, but definitely Apple really cheaped out on the packaging because they want to save the environment, which is really, they want to increase the profit margins and everything like that, and screw the customers by saying, go buy another charger, which I did a while ago. And this is a 30-watt USB-C charger. And this is actually pretty good for portable and out on the go. I guess they have some other wireless charging capabilities. I don't even have a thing for that. Will I get one someday? Maybe. I have a couple wireless chargers laying around. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing with some other old iPhones. And there you go. I'd say life is pretty satisfactory. Go enjoy your expensive Apple product.